Yo, what's going on, guys? Nadu Garage here. So many people, when it rains, many car guys, they're like, no, it's raining, we can't do anything. Well, today I thought the same, but then I came up with a solution, which was since it's in the rain, let's go ahead and hit that TC fully off, hold it up, turn advanced track off and traction control off. So traction control completely off the 350 for the first time, and see how it reacts to a slippery lot. Let's get into it. So we did put it in the comfort steering mode, sport driving mode. All right, so here we go, guys. Advanced track off, that's all we need right there. If you hold the traction control button. So I'm not gonna really like give it too much with the clutch or anything like that, but that was nice. All right, that right there was fun. All right, so check it out. We did rip up a little bit of tire right over here, as you can see. Hopefully not too much. We'll assess it later on, but I like how everyone knew what we were doing too, because listen to how loud this car is. I also have a video up on my YouTube channel of me in the rain with the Cadillac CTS-V and swinging it out when it's dry out in the CTS-V2. CTS-V is so much more tail happy. That's one thing for sure. This car is just not a good swing car, I guess. I'm gonna try it for sure when it's dry out, because that's gonna be plenty of fun. When it's slippery, it is a little bit more sketchy in this car because it just slides all over the place and stuff, and it's just more sliding around with how light it is and stuff like that. Compared to the CTS-V, it's obviously gonna lose a lot more traction and spin around a lot more, but to say the least, that was tons of fun. I absolutely love this car. I cannot wait to do donuts when it's dry out. I cannot wait to get new tires and finally be able to hook in first and second gear. And even when it's a little bit cold out and the tires properly get warmed up and stuff, I still spin when hitting third gear dependent on the pavement. So hit the subscribe button and help me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can start getting paid on the YouTube platform. I do all this epic stuff for you guys. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel, and I would really appreciate it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace.